SIGER Data Precision Machining Digital Intelligent Application Case. The DEYUNG CV855, a vertical machining center, renowned for its high speed, high precision, and high rigidity, is extensively used in precision mold making. Yet, it encounters challenges like tool wear, collision risks, efficiency limits, and thermal errors. To boost stability and efficiency, SIGER Data has unified tool monitoring, tool collision protection, adaptive machining system, and thermal compensation management system into one via the NC-MAX system, enabling real-time monitoring and smart decision-making during machining. The SIGER Data NC-MAX system's 4-in-1 solution leverages for machine tool sensors power, vibration, temperature, and displacement to gather real-time spindle power, vibration, screw temperature, and XYZ axis displacement data via dedicated channels. Integrated with edge computing and AI, it has been successfully deployed on the DEYUNG CV855A tool monitoring system. It conducts real-time monitoring of tool status, accurately judges the conditions of tool wear, edge chipping, and tool breakage for the machine tool, enabling unmanned real-time monitoring of the machine tool. Collision protection system based on vibration sensors. It detects the reverse impact threshold at the moment of collision and triggers the machine stop within 0.25 milliseconds. Adaptive machining system optimizes speed rates, cutting rough machining time by 30% and finish time by 10%. Thermal compensation management system through PT100 temperature sensors. It provides real-time compensation for the thermal deformation errors of the machine tool based on the ambient temperature and the temperature changes of the XYZ ball screws, reducing thermal errors by 70–95%. SIGER Data's NC-MAX 4-in-1 solution integrates 4 functional modules into a single hardware setup, allowing enterprises to tailor combinations to their specific needs. The system is highly integrated, with testing and deployment completed in 2 weeks for rapid delivery. The system offers high compatibility across various machine tools and CNC brands. Choosing SIGER Data cuts costs, boosts efficiency, and ensures smooth production.